Breaking news. Drake, Adin Ross, and Stake US have just been sued for fraud, deceptive practices, and misleading advertising. That's a major, major case. This is about the sixth or seventh time that Stake has been sued in the US. This current case is a class action lawsuit from an individual in Missouri. It's alleging that Drake and Adin Ross, as Stake's main ambassadors, their main pitch people, they're described as mascot influencers, mascots. That's embarrassing. But if you've seen the live stream with the owner of Stake and Drake, Party Next Door, Adin Ross, XQC, among others, they definitely seem like workers, and I'll leave it at that. But this lawsuit labels Drake and Adin Ross as mascots who appeal to their fans and their followers to follow them down the road with stake in gambling. They made it seem very luxurious. They posted high betting numbers, wins, and some losses, but showing that they've made so much money. They got online constantly. Everything they did involved some type of gambling, some type of game of chance on the stake website. And they made it seem like, hey, we all in this together. We're trying to win here. But it comes out that Stake was giving Drake and Adin Ross millions of dollars to go on these streams and gamble. So this was not just for fun. This was work. This was a work assignment for which they're creating content. So if the public thought that they were using their own money, especially Drake, who would often show his betting slips for major sporting events like the national championship or the NBA finals, the Super Bowl, if you think he was spending his own money and you want to follow him like, hey, I could win and hit big, just like Drake, guess what? You were fooled. They were not using their own money or they were reimbursed by Stake. So this was all kind of a big content scheme. And then we'll see what happens from here. This is really tough territory. The individual who's suing Drake is suing under a cause of action for unjust enrichment. So he's basically saying that Drake, Adin Ross, and Stake received benefits that they did not earn. I don't know, family. That's very difficult. Just your understanding of who people are, right? And this is in light of his lawsuit. He's alleged that UMG, right, in cahoots with Kendrick Lamar, PG Lang, whoever else was involved, Spotify.